This is your living space. Your kitchen right over here comes with these two opposite placed granite slabs. Master bedroom, you realize it's a master bedroom by the flooring. Hello and welcome to Housey. I am Ekta Kapoor and today we are going to take a sample flat look of the project Central Vista, which is constructed by Naik Navre Developers located at Sadashiv Peth, Pune. But before we do that, let me tell you something about Housey. Housey is India's first ever online platform wherein we connect you directly with the developer. Unlike other real estate platforms जहाँ पर जब आप करते हैं listing तो आपका number goes to multiple brokers and you receive multiple calls. At Housey, we connect you directly with the developer, thereby giving you bottom price guarantee, and we also give you genuine information. So what exactly are you waiting for? Quickly book your site visit today, register yourself on Housey. In the meanwhile, I'm going to give you all the details of the project Central Vista, which is located at Sadashiv Peth in Pune, constructed by Naik Navre Developers. Let's now understand the project overview with the help of the 3D model. The total land parcel for the project is of 7.1 acres, but the current development is going to be in 1 acre with this one tower, which is going to be a road touch tower. Now, this is going to be a tower that's going to have 3 basement parkings plus 3 floors of commercial plus 18 floors of residential homes. As you can see, the first 3 floors are going to be of commercial. Then for the parking of the residential, they have constructed a robotic MLCP which will have access only for the residential homes. Well, there's so much to tell about this project in the overview. Let's try taking a closer look to it. We are going to have 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs and 4 BHKs in this property, which are going to have multiple variants like the 2 BHK starting from 634 to 843 square feet, the 3 BHK starting from 1038 to 1100 square feet, the 4 BHK starting from 1338 to 1391 square feet, and the 4 BHK simplexes are going to be 1500 square feet. Now, when you are also taking a look at it, the best part is going to be that the first floor above your commercial complex, or I'm going to call it the commercial segment, the first floor homes get a terrace apartment. Well, for all of this, you will have to come over here so that you can see the project, and that's the reason I keep telling you that you need to book your site visit with Housey very quickly. Now, there's so much more. I'm also going to show you the sample flat. Stay tuned with me right over here. As you can see, I am standing right at the project site outside the sales office. And this over here is the main road that connects you to Central Vista. This is the road that takes you to Dandekar Bridge. The signal right behind me is the Dandekar Bridge. And this road over here will take you to Lal Bahadur Shastri Road. Talking about the location, the project is located right at Dandekar Bridge next to Sadashiv Peth. And talking about the connectivity from here is Dandekar Bridge at 100 meters, Tilak Road, which is just about 500 meters from here, and Sarasbagh, which is just about a kilometer from this place. So this is located in the heart of the city, and yet you get premium living. The best part about the connectivity and location, well, it is the complete project is located half and half on the river side. So when you come over here and you take a look at it, you will realize half of the project is going to be constructed on the other side of the river and half of it would be here, because of which the beautification of the river has also been taken care of by Naik Navre themselves. Talking about the amenities, the project offers multiple amenities that are not the regular ones. So total there are 15 plus amenities, and it also includes snooker, co-working spaces, medical center, and all of this is on the rooftop, including an infinity swimming pool, a kids play area, and a lot more. Let's now take a look at the sample flat. And this is your 710 square feet 2 BHK apartment. But it has so many features. The first thing is that you get a digital door lock that can be operated with your fingerprint and with a master key digital door lock, and all the possibilities. Well, come inside. As I told you, this house has so much to offer. The first thing is that I like this division that divides your dining and your living and still gives you space like a foyer area, even in a 710 square feet house. Come inside, let's take a look at this one. This is your living space, and I'm going to tell you about the dining and the kitchen because they have strategically placed it in such a way that it looks absolutely beautiful. But before that, let's take a look at your balcony. This is the place from where you can take a look at the city's beautiful lights in the night, and because it comes with these anti-skid flooring and it is covered from 3 sides, comes with this beautiful toughened glass railing and a table right over here so that you can place your coffee mugs and enjoy your evenings. Let's go at the rest of the house. Now, as I told you that the dining has been placed very strategically, that's right over here. And if you are wondering where is the kitchen, well, this is one thing that Punekars like a lot, and that is a kitchen that is secluded, has its own space and yet is easy to access. That's where this is. Your dining area leads you to the kitchen. Your kitchen right over here comes with these 2 opposite placed granite slabs. One of them comes with a quad sink right over here, and these quad sinks even have a longer life than the regular stainless sinks and are much more hygienic. Here is going to be your kitchen table and a very spacious dry balcony as well. Let's take a look at this one as well. Your dry balcony also comes with a railing and with this slab over here so that you can place your sinks if you need to. Right over here in this aisle, common toilet and common bedroom. First, let's take a look at this one. Now, your common toilet over here comes with this area for your wash basin, and this is going to be your common toilet and bath, which comes with a glass shower cubicle, anti-skid tiles on the flooring, a tile separation for wet and dry areas, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and provision on the top for the water geysers and heaters as well. Your kid's bedroom is adorned with a window which also has a mosquito net, and this one is also facing towards the view जहाँ से आपके balcony का view नजर आता है. Isn't this amazing? Let's take a look at this one. Now, as I told you at the entry of the house, that small details have been taken care of. If you can see that there are no switchboards so that your kids stay safe and everybody in the house, of course, stays safe. So there are touch panels with which you can actually set the mood for the lighting. When I'm talking about small details and setting the mood, isn't that what Housey does for you? Well, what does Housey do for you? Of course, ये sample flat video तो आप देख ही रहे हैं. Other than that, we also do location tours, 360-degree tours, EMI details, and also pros and cons of every project. Isn't that amazing? Every small detail has been taken care of, just like what Naik Navre has done. So what exactly are you waiting for? Quickly click on the link below, book your site visit for this project today, and let me show you the master bedroom before that. Come in. Now, the moment you enter the master bedroom, you realize it's a master bedroom by the flooring. The way they have made it ceramic and still wood finish, this makes it anti-skid and gives it a royal touch. Come inside, let's take a look. At the entrance itself is your master washroom. Master washroom ke bhi tiles have been given with the similar pattern. It comes with a tile drop again for your shower area, a glass shower cubicle partition, and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and premium sanitary fittings. Your bedroom comes with a very cute bay window balcony. What is a bay window balcony? Well, even I was confused, but when I saw it, I realized what it is. You must see it too. Come here. This is what your bay window balcony looks like. So this is a complete full height window that opens right into the view that you're going to get if you take a river view apartment over here. Yes, they do have multiple variants, but for that you'll have to come here. लेकिन फिलहाल के लिए तो आप ये देख लीजिए, इसको एक bay window यहाँ पर provide की गई है so that you can enjoy serenity at the best. Oh, and before I leave, I have to tell you that this was the sample flat video for the project Central Vista, which is located at Sadashiv Pet, constructed by Naik Navre developers. And I'm sure you have loved this apartment and you quickly want to book a site visit. But it's very simple. All you need to do is register on Housey, and do not forget to like this video if you have loved this project. Stay tuned to Housey for more such beautiful projects in your locality. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.